Hi friends, I'm Pramila and welcome to my channel The Inquisitive Cook. So today we will learn how to make नारियल और लाल मिर्च की चटनी. The ingredients are आधा कटा हुआ नारियल, 3 सूखी लाल मिर्च, 3 cloves of garlic, लहसुन, नमक and half teaspoon of cumin seeds. सब ingredients को हम एक जार में शिफ्ट कर देंगे. Now we will grind them to make a smooth paste out of it. See, the paste is thick, so I will add a little water here. Now for tadka we need a pan, and please keep your gas on the low flame. Now we will add 2 tablespoons of ghee in the pan. You can also use oil. अब घी हमारा जो है वो गरम हो चुका है. Add a pinch of hing in it and 3 to 4 curry leaves, कड़ी पत्ता. Add half teaspoon of mustard seeds and let them crackle. Now our tadka is ready, and now we will add our chutney paste to the pan. The chutney paste is a little thick, so I will add some water. So friends, हमारी नारियल और लाल मिर्च की चटनी रेडी है. Now switch off the flame. हमने चटनी को एक बाउल में शिफ्ट कर दिया है. And as you can see, our delicious and tasty chutney is ready. Thank you so much for watching. Do send me your comments. Happy cooking! Press the like button and the bell icon to get updates on all my new videos. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel.